My name is Alan Lacey, and I'm a wildlife filmmaker, cameraman, and producer. Over the years, I've worked on shows for National Geographic, Disney+, PBS Nature, and the BBC. This is episode 1 in an 8-part series called Filming Yellowstone, where I take you on a 2-week adventure filming some of North America's most iconic wildlife. In this episode, we are going to find out if one of my films is a winner at the Oscars of wildlife filmmaking. You certainly don't want to miss. Well, I had every intention of releasing episode 1 today. However, I just had my first son, my first child was born 2 days ago, which kind of came a little bit earlier than we anticipated, which is incredibly excited. I am overjoyed. It's one of the most incredible and amazing and beautiful experiences. But obviously, I've had to push releasing the episode a couple days. So for those of you who are excited to see the episode tonight, it's going to air Thursday, as in 4 days, 6 days, whatever it is. Days are all mixed up. But this coming Thursday, episode 1 of Filming Yellowstone will drop. It's going to be a premiere. We can all join. We're going to enjoy it together. So I just wanted to jump in and say that. You've got a little sneak peek at what episode 1 is. And anyways, I'm tired. I'm going to go back and get some rest. But episode 1 is coming this Thursday.